Welcome back to Bike Trips. 1.5 years ago, I installed CHIGEE AIO-6 on my bike. And since then, it's the best thing that I ever installed on my motorcycle. I even went all the way to Nordkapp with it. And when I came in contact with CHIGEE, they asked me my feedback about the product. I said, it's amazing. They asked me, what more features would you like to have? And I said to them, you already have the cameras. You have the park monitoring system. It would be amazing if you could watch the cameras remotely, like security cameras, and see the location of the bike. And guess what? 1 year later, CHIGEE AIO-6 comes around and it has this feature. But not only that, they made the screen bigger, as requested, 6 inches. They made the cameras record at 60 FPS. It even has more embedded info on the footage, like speed, RPM, gear, brakes, throttle position, angle, turn signals, location and time. So the most requested features are here. So let's unbox this thing. This is a showcase box and it has everything inside. CHIGEE AIO-6 doesn't come like this. You buy the screen and you select what accessories would you like with it. So here you can see everything that you could possibly buy for your bike, like the wireless OBD module, the external tire pressure sensors, the remote control if you don't have a BMW bike, and also all the brackets to install it on your bike. You can install it directly on the BMW mount and even install the cameras, because the cameras now are detachable. But you can also mount it on any bike with a CHIGEE quick release system that works the same as the BMW one. But also you can install a permanent mount, as I did on my bike. Because if you use this as a security feature for your bike, you wouldn't remove it when you park it. The screen is ultra crisp with vibrant colors and 2000 nits of high brightness. It has clear visibility during the day and it has 2300 nits peak brightness display. And also the screen has 60 FPS of refresh rate. I have been testing this during harsh conditions, off-road, and this thing doesn't budge at all. This is a quality product. You can feel it right from the start when you open the box. But believe me, because I have done more than 30,000 kilometers with the CHIGEE AIO-6, I have been to 20 countries with it, and I know it has consistency and quality because a lot of my friends have bought also the CHIGEE products, as you can see here. So, the complete set of features is, again, the blind spot detection system if you have the cameras. I also use the rear camera as a rear view mirror sometimes because you get so wide angle view that you can see everything behind you. It's not easy to judge the distance, but you can see left, right and center whatever happens behind you. The AIO-6 LTE version has a 4G connectivity. SIM is not provided. That means you get a security shield every time that your bike is parked and somebody is trying to fiddle with your bike. You get a notification and you can remotely see what happens to your bike from your cameras and the GPS location where it is. Real-time tracking and statistics about your ride. Also, with CHIGEE AIO-6, you can connect with your action cams and you can control your cameras remotely. It works both with GoPro and Insta360, but I think with Insta360 right now it's more stable. All these features in one accessory. That's why I'm calling it the most advanced motorcycle accessory ever made. All those features in one accessory. So in general, a solid product, vastly upgraded than the previous one that was already a good product. And right now, because it's a pre-order period, it goes on a very good price with 20% discount. You can check the link in the description or in the comments and pre-order it. For me, since I had the CHIGEE AIO-6, it changed my whole experience with the bike because it's there every time that I need it. For destination, for music, the cameras are recording the whole time I am on the bike, or if the bike is moved when I park it. The screen is amazing, the best on the market, and I know you can find cheaper screens than CHIGEE with less features, worse screens, worse reliability. Believe me, I have tested them. The price is worth it because you get a quality gear that will last for years. So check the links in the description, use the code BikeTrips to get the discount, and see you on the next one.